I think it's a slightly nervous time. It's special for various reasons because it is our first collaboration with A.R. Rahman, which is quite interesting, and we've been fortunate enough to get to spend some time with him. I've managed to go for a couple of sessions with them, and secondly, so we should thank him for giving Bombay and us a chance to be here because he's not been here for a while. And secondly, I think it's we're introducing two very promising actors, in Arman and Diksha. And we are very proud of the fact that this is where it starts for them, and then they make what they can of it. And lastly, our debutant director, and I think anything that can be said about him, watch the movie.
दिनेश जी एक सवाल है आपसे मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ क्या स्टार किड हैं बॉलीवुड में तो उन्हें लॉन्च करना बहुत आसान होता है क्योंकि हम देखते हैं कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कई सारे स्ट्रगलर जो हैं उनको बहुत टाइम लग जाता है लेकिन हम एक तरफ ये भी
अरमान ने 4 ऑडिशन दिए हैं, एक बड़ा टास्क मास्टर है, इसने 4 ऑडिशन दिए, 2 बार हम भी उसमें बैठे हैं. सो आई थिंक हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है कि पहले एक्टर हो, एंड आई थिंक अरमान इज़ अ वेरी वेरी नेचुरल एंड स्पॉन्टेनियस एक्टर. और मेरे ख्याल से पहली पिक्चरों में अगर आप ऐसे आदमी को कास्ट करें, ऐसे लड़के को कास्ट करें जो किरदार से काफ़ी क्लोज हो, सो दैट हेल्प. सो अरमान एक्चुअली जो कैरेक्टर का नाम है उससे काफ़ी वो कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रहा है लेकिन उससे बहुत क्लोज है इन रियल लाइफ, एंड आई थिंक दैट हेल्प्स एवरी न्यू कमर.
Arif, for you personally to have someone like Arman starring in film, there's so much talk about how he's the fourth grandchild. Was that intimidating at some level for you, or how did it work, or how really did he fit into the script?
No, that was not intimidating. It was quite easy actually because he's come from a background, he's seen it, he's grown up in this, so he's seen this world. But at the same time, it didn't mean कि उसके लिए कुछ आसान था. He still had to prove time and over again that he deserves the place to be here, which I was very particular.
I think the most interesting thing about Arman also is that if you meet him, he's one of the most unassuming people, and you won't even feel that an actor's in a star, or as you say, in the role. Right now, we're trying to just make him an actor, and I think Arif has. You'll see as in the subsequent weeks they share quite an interesting equation. When you put the two of them together, you'll see the dynamic.
Dinesh, Arif, a question. Almost half of the family has come support you guys and support Arman. So how Krishna Raj is supposed to come here? So how's it feeling right now to have such an association today and what does it mean for you especially?
First, after you, sir.
It is all a blessing, I would say. That it's after all, end of the day, we all normal people हैं. उनके खानदान का एक बच्चा है, जैसे आप लोग का भी होगा, जैसे तो everybody has come to support, जैसे कहीं पे आते हैं. हाँ,
similarly, even Diksha's families come to support her.
Yeah, even Diksha's family is here. But so it's just the feeling is same. Yeah, they happen to be the Kapoors and they happen to be very famous. But it is like that for them. That अपना बच्चा you are seeing somebody. So there's a lot of warmth, there's a lot of family, there's a lot of heart over here. So it is very overwhelming for all of us. That we're all Indians. At the end of the day, we all believe in emotions. We all believe in family, and that's what it is right now. So yeah, so we're very happy and proud that we've got everybody together.
आदित्य जी एक सवाल है मेरा
So can I ask you what your favorite song from the album is?
If you'll ask me, all are my favorite songs. But definitely this Khalifa and Mawali Kawali, they are both peppy numbers, and so definitely they are going to go very well down with the youth. And like Malum and which one is that other?
Dil Bekasur.
Alada
He's
and-
going to name all the songs.
So don't ask me. I'm going to name all the songs. Definitely.
There
what
is
I
a
say.
new song that is being performed tonight, which is not on the album, called Tasalli, and we heard it last night at 4 in the morning, properly, its full form, and I think that's going to be a track that is, how do I put it, the purest track on the album, and I think that will end up become everyone's favorite and will survive the album. And
Arif, being the brother of Riaz Ali, is always known for his making current romantic films, and you are also coming with romantic films. So are you insecure, or what's going on with the comparison?
I'm very secure. I'm very insecure for him because I've stepped in. You better watch out.
also